Hello, I'm Ricki Lee, and today on the Watchlist, I'm joined by Jim Johnson, CEO of Hunting PLC. The company has reported strong pilot results from its organic oil recovery technology at Pine Mills, delivering a 100% production uplift and eliminating water cut in one well. It's a result that could have significant implications for enhanced oil recovery globally. Jim, welcome to the Watchlist.
Hi, Ricky. Thanks for having me.
So, Jim, what do these results from Pine Mills tell you about the real world performance and scalability of your organic oil recovery technology?
Well, the results were fantastic, but it really validates why we went and bought the business and it acquired all the rights for it. Typically, we had focused on offshore developments in part of our sales process, but getting a good result onshore in the USA is critical for the future growth of this business.
Great. And so Buccaneer Energy has already announced plans to roll organic oil recovery, or OOR, out across additional wells. So, how important is that kind of field operator endorsement in validating OOR as a lower cost enhanced recovery solution?
Well, it's very, very important because if you look at the USA, for example, there's over 400,000 wells, oil wells that produce 15 barrels of oil a day or less. And what operators try to do is avoid decommissioning costs and obviously increase production. And so having that verified in what is a new territory for us, because previously, until the acquisition, we did not have the rights to the Americas, is critically important for the future growth of this product line.
And you've said this positions OOR as a globally applicable lower cost EOR method. So, what really differentiates Hunting's approach from traditional enhanced recovery techniques in terms of efficiency, cost, ease of deployment, and whatnot?
One of the things is we take a lot of time working with our laboratory people, actually analyzing what's in that reservoir and what makes the best nutrient to have the production increase. Also, when you're actually looking at the application, it's a lot simpler from a application point of view, as well as reducing downtime where you don't need things like workover crews. Also, it's much, much more cost effective than doing polymer flooding or steam injection.
Great news. Well, thank you so much for taking your time to take us through that today, Jim.
Thanks, Ricky. I appreciate your time.
Once again, that is Jim Johnson, CEO of Hunting PLC. For more on the company's organic oil recovery technology and global operations, visit huntingplc.com. That's all for this episode of The Watchlist. I'm Ricki Lee. Make good choices today.